Hi, my name is Michelle Nguyen, and I am the director of Lash Academy. Welcome to Lash Academy YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below so then you get an alert every time we launch a new educational videos. Today, I want to show you how to do a lash lift step by step using our brand new lash lift kit that we just launched very recently. Seems to be a really hot item. But before we go on to how to use it, I'm going to show you what we have in the kit. So if you buy this kit from PLA-Academy.com, it has everything that you need for lash lift. And I, for the longest time, was very skeptical about doing lashes because, like, my background, I do eyelash extensions only. I sit my butt on a chair for 10 years doing eyelash extensions, and every time that someone say lash lift, I was just like, no, I just like eyelash extensions a whole lot more. And then towards the end of my lash career, where I took a lash lift class, and then I was able to see, oh my God, what a gap that I was missing on the market. So many of my clients were either allergic to eyelash extensions, couldn't really keep up with the maintenance of like coming in every 3 weeks or so for refills. All of those clients, I could do a lift on them. And then I had a really large amount of clientele that extension is really too dramatic for them. But they don't want to get classic lashes because when they get classic lashes, they say it falls off a little bit faster, and they have to come back to get a refill. So people like that, getting a lift is a really good options for them, instead of turning them away and say, no, sorry, I can't do anything for you. If you give them a lift and a tint, it really helps their eyelash pop. It is a really good source of income. So they come in like every 8 weeks or so. Some of my client was coming like every 6 weeks to 8 weeks, and we usually charge about $85 for a lift and tint up to like $100, $85 or $100. I feel like that's very reasonable. And also, it takes an hour to do the service, which is so easy. And I don't know why I didn't do lift sooner. So we work on this line for a really long time. Me and Loretta, she is our she's this PLA's product development, and she does help developing a lot of products in our company, along with some of our new adhesive that you've seen. And this is a product that me and Loretta worked on for a really long time. And we kind of handpicked everything from like how the rods are, how our tools are, how the products develop, how lift, how all the solutions are. So I'm so excited to show it to you. But it comes in like a really cute little blue box. It'll have everything that you need for lips. So you don't really kind of need anything else. When you open it, on the very top, you're going to see the instruction on them. So then you know how many minutes you have to do, what is step 1, step 2, how to, assess the lashes and stuff. So it comes with very detailed instruction. And then it'll come with our cleanser. It comes with a lift adhesive. This is our ultimate lift adhesive, and it is not too thick, not too thin. It comes with like a nice brush so you can apply them. It's great for beginner to like intermediate. It's not super fast. I tried some lift adhesive before where it's really fast, and then I don't comb fast enough for the adhesive tube, and it dry and it's set and it's a mess. So like this adhesive is thin, but it doesn't cure too fast, and I love it. And then on there, it will have a 10-shot pack. So in this 10-shot pack, we'll have step 1, step 2, and step 3. And we will go through the video and explain to you how, what each step does and how many minutes you have to do. This has 10 pack total, and usually 10 pack you can use it for minimum 20 clients. I use 1 pack on two clients. Sometimes I could do 3, but I usually do 2. So this kit will be good for you for 20 clients. And in here it will have 2 separate like separating tools. So this is like a lifting tool, and this is a separating tool. And also it will come with a the white comb. So the white comb is this little comb right here. It comes in like clear and pink. Usually I just use the white comb. I don't even need to use the lifting tool, but I know some people like the lifting tool, some people like the brushing tool, some people like the white comb. So we included them all in the kits for you, and you can use 1 of them or 3 of them, whichever one is your preference. And we include a little tint dish. So this is a dish where you'll be able to put in like solution number 1, number 2, number 3. So then that way you don't get confused with things. It's really nice and easy to clean. And last but not least, our rods. So in our rods, this is our 7 packs rod, which is the biggest pack rods that we have. Why 7, you may say? Some of you have gotten used to the standard rods, which is a little round, and some of you use the flower, rod. And in this, we include both. So you will be able to find the flower rod, and then you will find your traditional, sorry, I can't get this out. You will find a little like regular rods like this, the round rods, kind of like that. And you have the flowers rod as well. And they come in 7 different sizes. So some for, every client, and some for, if you prefer the round rods, you have those. And if you like the flower rods, you have those as well. And you don't have to buy them, separately, whatnot. So this is the 7 packs rod. And that's it. So everything that you would literally need to do lash lift. And if you hang tight for a minute, our consultant / educator, Chandrana Brockway, she is going to perform a lift, and we are going to break it down slowly for you so you can kind of follow all the steps and achieve a wonderful, beautiful lift. I recommend that you do a tint with them if your state allow you to do tint, because it always helps the end result. And yeah, hang tight and enjoy the video.
Let's lift some lashes. Here is our step-by-step. Before you begin the lash lift process, take some time to assess your client's lashes and decide how long they need for the lifting and the setting steps. The times will be between 5 to 8 minutes. Fine lashes, we recommend 5 minutes, medium, 6 minutes, thick, 7 minutes, very thick lashes, 8 minutes. For our model, Sophia, the PLA consultant chose the processing time of 7 minutes and 30 seconds because of her healthy lashes. Once you have determined the time, the next step is to clean the client's lashes. Using our PLA sterile cleanser here to wash away unwanted debris or dead skin. Next, place the iPad on the client's lower lashes to protect them while you work. Now, you are ready to start the lash lift process. Step 1. Applying the shield or rod. Select the shield or rod that best suit the length of your client's lashes and to give your clients that desired look. Dispense some PLA Ultimate Lash Adhesive, now with new packaging, onto a glue ring for easy access. Or you can use the brush to apply directly onto the rod or shield. If you are using the glue ring, like this video here, use a lip applicator to coat the backside of the shield or rod with the adhesive. Wait for the adhesive to get a bit tacky, then place the rod or shield onto the client's eyelid. Make sure to place as close to the lash line as possible without any gapping between the lashes and the rod. Repeat the step on the other eye using a new lip applicator. Attaching the client's lashes to the shield or rod. Using a new lip applicator, apply the ultimate lash adhesive onto the rods in a small section like you see here. Try not to use too much adhesive or it would take too long to set. Then, use either a lash lifter tool or Y-comb, whichever you prefer, to place the lashes onto the shield or rod. Step 3. Lifting the lashes. Grab the PLA Perm Lotion or the number 1, dispense half of the lotion onto the tint dish. Save the other half for your next appointment. All the lotion, once open, are good for 24 hours. When you are ready to put the lotion on the lashes, start your timer. Use the micro brush. Start applying the perm lotion to the lashes with a quick dabbing motion, starting at a corner and working your way out to the other corner. In this video, we started with the outer corner. Continue to bring the lotion to the middle part of the lashes and add more lotion as needed so it looks cloudy like this. Make sure not to reach the tip of the lashes. Repeat the step on the other eye with a second timer. Once the first timer is complete, remove the perm lotion in an upward motion with a new lip applicator. Starting at the corner you first apply the lotion, like before, starting with the outer corner. Repeat this on the other eye when the timer goes off. Step 4. Setting the lashes. Grab the PLA Fix Lotion or the number 2. Dispense half of the fixed lotion onto the tint dish and set the rest for your next appointment. Start your timer. Be sure the length is the same as the previous step. Then, apply the fixed lotion to the client's lashes using a micro brush. Again, starting from the corner you begin with in step 3 and move outward. In this case, we started with the outer corner. Quickly dab the lotion onto your client's lashes. Use the micro brush to bring the lotion to the middle part of the lashes. Repeat the step on the other eye with a second timer. Remove the fixed lotion once the timer goes off with a clean lip applicator. Step 5. Nourish the lashes. Grab the number 3, PLA Nourish Lotion, and dispense half on the tint dish. Use the same method from the previous steps to apply the lotion. No timer needed. Once complete, remove the shields or rod by using the lip applicator and warm water. Remove the eye pads, and voila, you're done.
Was that fun? I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let us know below and then we are happy to answer them. We also have a customer service consultant team always on board online to help you kind of through the process, I hope you would consider adding if you haven't yet, adding lift service into your menu. So then you can offer more for your clients, have a different revenue of income coming in without have to straining your eyes and do extensions all day. It is a really nice service to add into all the list of things that you do. For years, I kind of sit and just apply extensions one after another, and I wish that I did this sooner, so it kind of break my routine up a little bit. Plus, I feel like lift is easier than extensions, and also lift, you make really good money doing it, and then the cost of supply is not like obnoxiously crazy. When you buy a kit and after you are done, you use through your whole entire 10-pack, you don't have to buy a new kit again. You can always buy the refill pack, because we sell these separately in like a pack of 10 like this. Or if you are not sure if you want to try our lift, we do have a one-shot pack options. So that's good for 2 clients. You can use that, buy that, and then try that out and see if you like the liner, if it works for you. And then same as the glue. If you run out of glue, you don't have to buy a whole entire another kit. You can just buy the refills too. And all of those are available on our website, ParisLashAcademy.com. And as usual, thank you so much for tuning in and watching our YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you find it helpful. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.